Misro, mama se me beka asoma ya chiro. Ana mama se me baba show bufu ana se fache me. Se bia me kasa na anya oda mama se e bia me beka asem bia sabi wo befa na se bia ma no atia. Na emo mabasa Ghana ni amene Ghana ni baba kasa. Ebeba se bia na wo MPP ni ana se wo NDC ni. Babia obi aya na ye no no enye masem. De masem ne se obehuhu se wo ye Ghana ni nyina ye be pe Ghana nkoso. Eno nti babia obi ane eno ntinam no kasa se me no kasa se Ghana ni. Na mo wo ye MPP ne be me de pa. Wo ye NDC ne be me de pa. Empo wo movement for change wo any of the independent candidates ni bia fa kra e be me de pa. Sanse nyina ye kaboma ene ye Ghana for. Na enkoma me ne wudi no ebe ye se ebe hu ye ho se ye Ghana for me gidi se hu so ye Ghana ni a ebe ma wate enema biase ye na ebe ma wate mase be enaka krani eya me de maso etoto no ma ubi radio anopa na wutie de ekoso ne ma ye discuss wo radio ni ade a ohun ye nyina eya kwete se ye politics no ababegina NPP NDC na no kranso ni say baby abegina no sanse ye fourth republic for which Ghana so mine after independence after 19 independence 1957 na free 1966 besi 1981 ho kakra no na enye ho ne yokuku ne we kɔ na we aba ne nyina ho na wonti ho no mo no yentimi nya history papa bia nka mfa man ho until Rollins betrans 1981 deba besi 1992 a ye free military governance and a government bar democracy je kamimami kabia mamotu mu no meka se 92 hono mo besi nei 2024 32 years and at 32 years no party mienu ye NDC ni MPP omo ana meka se akunya no omadi so a menya hu di watena so just 4 years obia 8 years no okọ na another one about 8 years na another one about 8 years na another one the 8 years obia di 16 and 32 years ne entin komona ye di no se koba se fa NDC ho as a political party and as fa NPP ho as a political party a emane nyonwa emenyi ni se be nyina enwonwa. These are two major political parties in the history of Ghana in the Fourth Republic. Get my words right. Fourth Republic here, these two parties have been the major political parties, NPP and NDC. So, yeah, CPP for PNC, Movement for Change, Labour, and all other political parties, or other independent candidates, or other movement whatsoever. With all due respect, but we always address MPP and NDC as such. This Fourth Republic South America, 32 years, divided for them 8 years, 16 years for each of them. And I've told you this 2024 election, I call 7th December, right? Yeah, 2024. Omumi set a record, and I tell you, it's a record-setting election. You know what? Obiabe break it, you know. Trust me, so I've said it over and over again. Obiabe break it, you know. MPP, the castle will break it, you know, simply because Otiakunyasu wanya 8 years, you know, the 8 years are gonna for demand these two political parties. 1992 to 2000 NDC, 2001 to 2008 MPP, 2009 to 2016. You know what it is, NDC. 2016 and 2017 till this time, MPP. So 8 years. MPP is aiming at adding another 4 years to go beyond the normal 8 years. 2 terms Ghanaians at any of these two political parties. Because since 92, there are times you have CPP in there, PNC in there, but there's been always NDC and MPP. And Omuna 8 years. This time NPP wants to extend it by another 10 or which is another 4 years and probably more. So we are breaking the 8, they say. So they are going beyond the normal 8 years. But you know that say NPP to be break 8 now. What they are set a record so break 8 now. It makes NDC to break 8. also breaking 8 in opposition, because it's always like that. We transfer 8 years, the other one is in opposition for 8 years. And if MPP is able to, right, break the 8, it means that NDC is also breaking the 8 in opposition. That is what makes this election crucial, especially this time. Like I said, the Ghanaian voter is more enlightened. And never be a first name Koso, about 2 million, never be an never be Koso Dada Ghana near or to a body. Then so, and then be na Sabi Manos Memo, I didn't more be said, Nemana did that, and I did that down in Phoebe Tremono, and then no one to me for Sanamano and Medadao. No radio stations no more, especially in our morning shows or any political show, especially. I think the morning shows have been dominated by politics, so let's put it that way. It's all about the Ghanaian politics, and it's all about NDC and MPP. But Adeba me perception ye pani. So, most of the times panel no ye NDC. Ana MPP ni NDC one way or the other rep MPP ni rep to na we can menene nyadwene ye ne ba ye say ye ne ba ye say ye ne ba ye say. That's the beauty of democracy. That is democracy, our democracy. And it has so abusan be adwena, how many times omo a constitute panel for a radio station? Other parties now, maybe PNC other parties. No, the reason why I always refer to NDC and MPP. Now MPP ni kanasem. Now the all can NDC ni so obwa. NDC ni kanidie ono so obwa. Sa na be kwa. Na ye party yo no and ye politics na abusanka ya kwa ti say de bia aye de metwe adwuna basunio. De biaye de na kwakoye asema se di sika aban na ote akunya so no omanfo a meka so opposition no an condemn ne se ono na di sika ono aban na ote so na ye to abama no so se omra me enema no no so condemn opposition ne se ono so di sika ntiri biaye de ne ye akoye sikadie akoye wa amono ho modern ene sansem no nko a MPP na tiswa MPP na wotiso no weso ntranso nye nadwuma no wotiso no condemn NDC ya NDC na omo no mode na antie tu no ma wo MPP ban no ohweso nye nadwuma no woto no condemn NDC MPP tiso no NDC no opposition na wonya de na epam no so nkana no ntum no so condemn MPP, and this has been our politics. Me no di nkomo bi say because yentimi ntra ye dada say ya mu yeah NDC yeah MPP no 5 years later edia bedru hin 10 years later 15 years later 20 years later edia na de bebrain ye no na ampesa no ye twen adwene baso kakra. Unfortunately your politics na kwa ye paint somebody black, and anyway I'll be happy we end this near the pa. I'll be happy we MPP near the pa, but I'll be most happier if we are Ghana ni now the Ghana adwene ne betim name on your political lens. I'll be very, very happy. Your party politics now by you paint somebody black. So example is even when you read the budget. Party now it is no read the budget no. Ne MPs no bia we are affiliated to the party. People in governance or government bia say budget in here. And those in opposition, they will condemn it outright. And this year MPP year because they be a painting in your black, you making it look bad in the eyes of the people. You're not near politics, no? And san ye politics, and it's very unfortunate. Yamana yes sa because yena ye to abano yen tra se enka se nyema bon ma ye mano nto asubim. Yen yamana basa. Me ba me no be di nkomo. I'm not here to change you from your political party, never. But our political party na woman, I want you to be a better voter. A Drew baby, question your leadership. So opposition your own leadership because there are so many errors in our political system. Akwe yem painted the opponent in black. In NDC, opposition, won't be papa here fine people. MPP nya dear da, emani NDC ni fe. NDC nya dear da, emani MPP ni fe. Na sabi, ye nipa. Abusia, Michase Bukata say Biasan be an yode. By MBC, who say ye nipa pa, sebi manu sumina mabusia. Ya junior, and 2 years this year, would the MPP ni, and MPP ni be biada. Abichabona baso. And now MPP and 10 this one ye be biada. Abichabona baso. Na dia ya se film craba kone say. Omu ye nyina anso no. Omu mi no na compare omu ho. Ghana nya independence 1957. Enne sanka Ghana po ma bi di no ho abonno di no ho susu na anka ne South Korea mo. Anka osi Accra, anka oso tise wosi Kuala Lumpur. Ghana nya independence no anka amman bi sa no na ye di ho ye hwe wo mo. If you want to go to Egypt, Alexandria, Cairo, I mean, your cities are say. Of course, over the years there has been some improvement, or there have been some improvement in Accra, Kumasi a bit, but baby, you free bani baby abidruno, abusanya we. And you find NDC and MPP compare to each other just like that. To understand, so because me buy a cransome bay toilet we buy a kwan we have had Mahama who was able to say so a buy be a timid day a coin or customer my buy my aqua as an expression in mediocrity. I'm just paraphrasing. It is how bad now would general be as a bad man, my money's got to be an idiot. And I said, was said because that's what you're supposed to do. Now, I saw your government and I enter Obama now be money taxes be about how mono. Now, quite. So that's what I want us to get into our mind. Say, some little comparison between MPP and DC or the major comparison. Ye way and ye buy ye interchange, ye buy ye way no. Mummy no, they be local champions. Local champions. Mumu why not me live it and say, Ghana ye shabra boss and ye war resources are sanke manage ye near my year. And get to say, I'm my way, and now my way or my common. Ye need my bar, men family home to me opponent in our opposition, and me me see toilet and me see me ye quine and me ye, bow don't bet to. And my now my co or manimuno. O don't better to him. Omumu one at me, I didn't say, so I quite say, in the land of the blind. Sorry to my folks that probably have lost your sight. I'm just making a quote that is always out there. That in the land of the blind, one eye is the king. Sabi, uko, baby, umom Mr. Mikaso. Na say bia ni eni wana say ni be yehu dia ukonya nipa ba kwayo nani ba ko pe na abo na ba ko adwuma odi hene MPP ni NDC ene etian mo ne ye compare ye compare no eno nti no wo ba abehwa obisima ye kwan hwan kilometers wo be konso ne nso ahoro ni nyina. And waste my green book, waste my tracker, waste my green book now. We yes as NDC no. Green book no say any day. Again why and the good green book no. So what? Because of who be compare with MPP. Na MPP so aba my tracker no grade jabi and the kwan bi wo hono ya ramp to so we mu nyina. Because you want to compare yourself to NDC. Are you serious, please? Are we serious as a nation? Ya wanim di fupa MPP for kasa. Omo mukoko radio stations ni ade ebi manu atepa. Ebi mo nim die pa. Ukwa ndisia ebi manu atepa, ebi mo nim die pa. Na we ni nyina nim die ni nyina achi. Ni nyina no. Is it NDC you can compare yourself with as MPP? NDC, is it MPP you can compare yourself with? You are there What stupid so low comparing yourself to a political party? We MPP now tia some ya wo de mo some tie mo copy fam mo mpanyimfo no some tra akasati om some de sa na mo je we end this asa mo copy kan che mpanyimfo I'll be happy to hear this. So a whole MPP Ghana for nya mo mugidie e de o ma na hye mo nsa no what me de mo ho aba form say a political party like NDC na fe de mo de mo compare a whole NDC ye de o ma na hye mo nsa na ye de hye mo nsa no mucho mo ba former a political party like MPP. Are you serious, guys? And you eba enemy see toilet enemy ye kwan enemy see school we see gunyiram we see we say we have serious problems and we need serious people to solve them. Comparison na ye ne pa no say ye nya brese pese ye do o man ko nkan ne ye o man ni ya sa compare you compare no no pa ni san na wo compare Ghana for the ni mana Ghana for you hu no ene u MPP ni bia bisa ne say aban ba e de pa no ya na no den do be din kan free SHS Is that all you can do? Free SHS, especially in Ashanti region. Ujano MPP, again MPP is a CA, free SHS, and 8 years in Ninano, and Yemana, why ye Ninano, you don't want a bubble. You don't want a kicker. Yeah, why yama abo man, but you don't do that. Now the whole compare NDC. NDC now don't compare no we serious pa. Or no, we any yanke yamanokoi. And MPP ni bia and a free and among more HS in and one free SHS. And no. Na dia mekani. Sa free SHS now and then some tete some hama crackers be say ono kra no was any so do no fras any ade because free SHS na ababo Ghana by upomo mo bo free SHS mu tokro pa na so mo person mo chese bia ne mu ana nkwa nkudru de pe any problem say ye face ni ade NDC for enso mo makobi Ghana ha no mo NDC ni MPP for ma nyina ko free SHS ni bi ba pom mo be condemn ayi free SHS for pa NDC for na se free SHS na da form a NDC mahama so na so start use no na start se free SHS na da form a ade number en kama anya ma medru mpempen so na MPP ade aba bedru we will sit back we end this inti mu be bia ye FNPP ho you condemn it outright meanwhile wo betena so want me anye hute the MPP aye for free SHS within the 8 years no you had the opportunity you could have done same wo de nka won so ye na mistake a enne ye hunu ewo free SHS mu same MPP na lead no anka won so utimi eye ne hunu say ho na utimi ye beduru ye want me anye MPP abawa ya yina ye mo na baso na mistakes e wom errors e wom problems e wom ye fix it san ye build o man yo ba benya ndisi ni a obe condemn na outright is that how we do our politics yen penti ye nua black yen sen no nyuma yen sen no yetimi kwa say obi adwuma kora obie is that how we can do our politics is it all we can do is that all we can do who can free SHS? Who can free SHS? Okay. MPP in so better so 8 years. We declare year of rose in na. Who MPP who pay votes? Nana do dan kwane mpanyin for. Mo be promise Kumasi for 5 interchanges. Ba ko kra mo nyanya mo niwu. And na fe no mo frɛ sɛ ɔtoame. Kro de John Kumasi for na sebi. We are na de be mo because e be to aba. Tie be frase. Kumasi for say an ebemo because say an MPP or a free SHS all right Ba NDC buy no NDC timi ba be yes central market no mo friend Dubai mo kan say yeah kageti market yeah Dubai obi say NDC ni bia say e den NDC buy o yema Ashanti region first on be refer to yeah kageti. Is that all you could do kageti 8 years no NDC is that all you could do? De muna mo betia ya ni kageti no beside this near there also no and I'm just using Ashanti region Kumasi as a case study na me would actually me chiro nsem bi mu de obeka ye kejetia na obeka nso so when people betra so na wano din na ye be yo man ye tisika so come di ye be change your man kejetia na mahama ye na ndisi ye na wontimi mo na baso no we start phase 2 na anwen ne so ho no na anwene ne so no se kagetia edafoma anka wonso ye de mahama na ndisi ye ni bi anka wonso ye wantimi anye kagetia phase 2 crofom nso ne si wono mo na ene ni integrity na wo down ene okwa hwaji so san bugu edwa ne ye dafoma anka phase 2 MPP hunye nwe adana mo ndisi nso abaso ho ye tia no mo ne ye paint your black sa ye kasati ho sa because we are not serious we enya ya dwen say building nation free SHS and da form and this other na ma nya ma medun pompon so a MPP dia beduri e just ye da form and other MPP mo ba ye phase 2 wo fra se wontimi nya e da anwe ne so ho no Crawford market ene si ho no 8 years ni nyina si ho obi anko ho na Crawford market ne minim. It's a better tourist center. I'm on foot me about tourist site. I'm on foot in Babe. No photo. A dressy a dafoma and a dressy in a shia. Aunt and this a muntimin cantrums and this is the Moyenia. Would dear face to know with the Ufrasi and onion and so on. Crow from market onion and so on. Kumasi interchanges our promise and why ye? Shame on to you, our politicians. The way I'm carry Mohoni, the way I'm Casano. Nana may catch us and now the Ghanaian vote and be Bromajuma Bill. The kind of name is very unfortunate. Say there are some few people I mean, let's leave them like that. Now, I don't expect me try to tell us free NDC, and I'm not trying to tell us free MPP. That is your political party of choice. But there may no working. Why would you be so we NDC? So you want to always condemn free SHS? Meanwhile, Bakubi, you never buying. Why would you because so we MPP ninti? Apart from free SHS no, we don't want to market na and this for and then no son enka ho. Ba wo free with the ase na anwene ne so ho no. As and some way near come mu bi mo pesa mo bete ba ye beka sabi anya me na me wo na made milk abehwe onum na me befa o ma me no fa hwe onum se de be ode wanyini ti de wo ne beka a kire wo. What is it? Se free SHS na nyem fasode bia ni so a NDC for munhu fasode bia wo so a se fasode wo so de munyam pipi for no mo fanso mo safo hene no ma ye bi because munyam mo makobi fasode se fasode wo so a munya because you could have done it to this level mo de nka mo beti mo se mo chese nka beti bi cry ne better ba ada na manye and people nso mu frase ye be ye interchanges e na anwene ne se no market ne jam se mu nsi bi no e na anwene ne se no ade na ne wonso wonye ba de BNPP kasati NDC de BNDC kasati MPP these two political parties they are either unserious or they are not serious with us. Grow from market anwene ne se no e just say that for ma yay Okra do start phase 2. Yeah. Free SHS and the former. Yeah, I don't want you. You see, your politicians sometimes omo ya de na asem na obeka na ade na obe no o ka chense de o ye ndi o kan ni a afene ha no. Yeah, NDC wa ba mu no. Mahama time no. Asem obi anim na do ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia frɛ Mahama sɛ ɔyɛ incompetent. Enima mamu ni bu. Wama CD any dollar no etwi Ghana or twi Ghana CD na sese ya. Or twi na se nyina sɛ the $1 baako kope would 1 CD kope dollar. You say unya 3 CDs 80 pesos and san unya $1. Nana do ni Bawumia. Kasa ya ma omuka sɛ yeti sika so komodien san se na komodien pa mpanzo. Na Mahama nso gyina o keka nsensem bi ene awe ho kasa ne sɛ o kan wan ko ye de ataro because wan enye fitian na ebeka ye ena ye nti obia ne sansem ne nyina na nado ne Bawumia kasa ya Ghana fo nyomu dididi sɛ na nado de oba be o mani ye ne ye ne Opemsuo ene ye ne ene 1 cedi enye hwe wo dollar anim ene wo pe $1 yi sɛ unya close to 16 cedis. And now they are $1. It was 15 cedis, 80 pesos. No be dear. I 3.8. We saw incompetent. Now, no dear now could do this and over from was saying super incompetent. Tell us because when the Marco scoop, I'm being moon country. Your politics no, your pay nature, your back castle being blacks. So, Germany Panzo to me, and 10 this Babano better to our papas one. Then people Abanons are better to our papas one. And then you get we are not serious until no matter to our papas one. No more. Opemsuo. But the beer, and this is for Moody trying people in poor, say, Obefa, Ghana City, no. $2 and abedu 15 cedis 80 pesos and nasa 16 cedis no. And this is for me bisamo. Till the time I moved from 2016, with all the economic factors and other indicators considered, can you tell me, say, and can this netiswa anka $1 will still be 3 cedis 80 pesos? Yan can no crunch there. With all the factors ababet bonana drone na ban the bi okran fa ho Ukraine to kwa nya na asem create me de be ye asem any covid na konya yen so dia still me bisa santen this wo de transpan we end this nia me say na me ban this nia pp me ba Ghana for yen din komo bisa ho say enti send this ne da so tiasia are you going to tell me senti anka we will still have 3.8 cedis to $1. Let's be real to ourselves. Now sometimes almost nanado me de name boma na ban wonye niemi nanado as a person we di mu pa. But ye be gina kira kasa say as if say ye angels no make and no credit to office we NDC aban MDC adban and that's one man and since 2016 2017 ebesi ne 2024 no. Can you tell me something ka $1 to 3 cedis 80 pesos? What is the guarantee that NDC could have kept it $1 to 3 cedis 80 pesos? Me can say ni the MPP na nani asa ode. But sa factors na akwatia went wo ama wo fa $1 wo dia ko 15 cedis 80 pesos no. Sa factors na wo pese nya on fa kasa no. Na onim se sa eno bi na NDC to so ekutia no. Eno de wo na wonim. Ba ye usa ho ebe kan se wo ye incompetent. Okoto de ne mu kan san okoto de ne bodwenya nya nchen ana mu ebe ne ma network ne nye ebe ne ma okoto de ne bodwe Mahama ne de and the man who say economic indicators are affecting no $1 na 3 cedis 80 pesos and na who friend incompetent but na who from who say who de after the who chirim ba my voice bi ha ena swap logic then and who kasa asem ba me asem na who kan Mahama tis na yende wonim say ubetumi akasa ho disrespectfully whatsoever it was, and now one from is at 170 questions, and then 170 questions. You are no, yet the amount, yeah. Factors na kutia mahama na ndiye wahuno. Our friend incompetent, and be ne kutia. If you want us to understand whatever you are going through with regards to managing the economy, but now Refi said we're supposed to also understand Mahama. Refi. And now ye dear home come up. Your politics and subjects be do a be a yama na time. It do a be a yama na time. Cry.